We tried low-code solutions. We tried off-the-shelf best-in-class, but nothing really hit the spot like GoComet. Something that really stands out is how it helped us in something that we've been facing for many years, and we tried so many solutions, so it's not our first time. And it's a fight that did not end, so we tried low-code solutions, we tried off-the-shelf best-in-class, but nothing really hit the spot like GoComet, which is specifically the Go shipment, the customizability of the solution, and really helped us to unify. One of the problems that we had is that we were very people-dependent, which is not a bad thing. We have a great team, but someone's bound to be sick, someone's bound to go on a vacation or something. So we wanted to retain that knowledge within the organization and standardize the best practice across the team, and that was only possible if you have a workflow built in the system. Secondly, we wanted a process that is, I don't want to say foolproof, but definitely error-proof, I would say. So we make sure that every step happens at the right time with the right person and so on, and that visibility across the team. So we had solutions that got us visibility on the containers, but not on the process, what happens in the background. So I think that was very unique, and how it connects. So we used to have a solution for procurement, a solution for scheduling, a solution for shipment workflow, and no other solution brought it all in such a harmony like GoComet. So it was a very good experience.
Super, I would say. The amount of, call it, flexibility that is being given, which is actually from the very initial stages of us exploring solutions. So post doing our business requirements internally, we had our criteria to pick the solutions. And one of that criteria was the flexibility, because we kind of have a different business setup. As just right now mentioning, we had a lot of challenges in different parts of the processes. Nothing really off-shelf can fit our need. And we spent a good time, maybe around 2 years or something, or 18 months, we spent around looking for solutions that fits. Until we reach to a realization where flexibility is number one. We need the flexibility in order to cater for the unique product or unique processes that we are having within our organization. So GoComet has provided us with the right flexibility, I would say. 2 days ago, one of our coordinators reported that there is a certain thing that they must have it within a Go Procure part. And since GoComet is providing us that flexibility, it literally took less than an hour, maybe 30 minutes, or even less, to get things up and running. So put the additional field in there, mandatory, apply it in GoT, and that's it. So that flexibility
Very true.
Is the very nice thing about it.
And adding to what Man is saying, so we had our try with a low-code, an amazing solution, but there was always something missing. So we were reinventing the wheel, and we tried to reinvent the wheel for a long time. And no matter how good we got, we were not able to make a fully comprehensive system and something that's fully connected to the way GoComet is. So it gets you the best of both worlds. You have similar to off-shelf software, but it's, again, very customizable. So this is something that's super unique. No question was asked in the first demos was not answered. And everything, most importantly, and I'll be very honest here, I liked the transparency. This is very unique. So yes, we can. Okay, let's do it that way. And it's a partner discussing an implementation. It's not a vendor and a customer. So we had a lot of clarity during that selection part. Unfortunately, in the market, we get overpromised in a lot of things, and we find that out too late. Especially us, in the past 5-6 years, we've went through so many implementations. So we know that GoComet are very transparent, and even more. So during the implementation, I can confidently say this was the smoothest implementation. The customer success team were really attentive to the details. They didn't miss on anything. They followed through to everything they promised. They recommended improvements to the process that were very relevant to us, and they were open for anything that we requested. And it was a very good experience with the entire customer success team.
I would definitely do. There is definitely somebody who have a common problem as we are. So, and it's, as Ismail said, part of our principles is actually sharing knowledge. And we would definitely be sharing those findings, let's call it, to the rest of our colleagues, maybe our friends who are working in the same industry. So, yeah.
100%. So I think I totally agree with what Man said. The problem is there and it's affecting every company. And having such a solution would really make a big difference in the industry. I think it's strategic to have such a solution. There is great ROI from implementing that solution. We actually did a very extensive study on the ROI before we selected GoComet specifically. And we know that how adapting the software is that any company can deploy that. And definitely it's a way forward for the industry.